Who's that? Is that Abby? Is that Abby, Baba? Is that Abby? What? Tinatanaw niya pa. Tinatanaw niya pa ulit. Look at there, Baba. Look at that. Who's that? Elmo, where's Elmo? Where's Elmo, Baba? Nakatingin siya. Hindi, habang ng pila ni Sesame Street. Nolan. Ikaw yun si Elmo. Yes, si Elmo. How's Elmo? Did you enjoy Elmo?
No. Not even the ride. The ride was so small.
Ay, wag kang shadow. Sasakay ulit tayo mamaya.
You would be sarcastic. Wow. Well, the ride was literally going.
Sasakay ulit tayo mamaya. Wag kang
No, I don't like that ride. That's too small. There's no thrills. I want the thrills.
I wish I could explain.
Do you know where you're going? Oh, yeah. We can get some ice cream.
Oh, look.
Nolan, no! Nolan! Look at the bear, Nolan.
It is. It's right.
Nolan! Hi! Nolan.
Ayan, si Kuya. Pwede sumakay ito si Kuya.
Saan? O kayo naman dalawa ni Sian kasi kami nakasakay na kami.
Hindi ako sumasakay sa ganyan.
No, sumakay ka sa ganyan. Ayun o.
Oh, it's low.
No, it's not. Baba, oh, may snow. What's that? Saan na yung pagkain, Atashi?
Langit ko nga eh. Hindi nga tayong pagkailan eh. Pero kinakain dito.
Posible naman, meron yan dito. So guys, nandito kami sa Busch Garden.
Rides yata dyan.
Sa Virginia. And this is our first Christmas. The lights display. And then nag-ride siya. Nag-enjoy naman siya sa rides.
It's not
Gusto niya pa
fun.
sumakay ng isa.
No, it's
Ay,
not fun.
nakita mo si Elmo, masyado ka.
It's not fun because there's some thrills. Okay?
No, there's no... Mamaya, may thrill na yun. Ihagis kita.
And then you are being
Yeah,
sarcastic
hagis kita.
while the ride was going. So,
Ihagis kita.
yeah. Oh, look.
Hi, Nolan! Nolan! Say hi to the camera. Come on. Uy! Hi! Where's Elmo? Did you see Elmo?
Bakit ba? Bakit eh?
Bakit?
Ay, sumakay. Pagkita si Nolan.
Kasi ito na yun, parang taxi yun. Para mapunta ka doon tayo sa kabilang side.
Sakay ka dun, madam! Ayaw niya!
Sijian, it's open. You wanna go there? Might as well, you're here. So yeah.
O, si bukas! Wala ka sumasakay.
Dalawa sila. It's red and green.
O, si? Sumakay ka na mag-isa mo. Kaya mo na yan, B. Malaki ka na. Hindi mo ako mapapasakay dyan, Tashi. May kasama ba yun? Yung mataas na yun? Ay, oo nga.
Oh, we got a big winner again over here. Oh, that would have been such a.
Come on, Zia, I got some more.
Oh no, I didn't.
Kaya mo?
Ano ba yan?
Tapos eh.
Ano mo nakuha mo?
I can't win,
So
huh?
you got one, so you get any prize that you want.
See? Mom, what you want?
You got it.
You want the pig? No, you
That's a flamingo.
The pink one?
Okay.
Kuha ka ng isa. Ano mo si Nolan Labs?
Whoa! Tapos, kaya nga pinapashoot ko siya, no? Hindi na ako pwede. It's only-
Bakit?
You get 5 balls. You make one.
Magbabayad ka ulit. Hindi ikaw ulit.
Oh, yun daw siya, oh. Ano ko na sila, wala lang.
Karin! Gusto ko yung pug. I want the pug.
Okay, no, I got it. Here you go, Mom.
Ayan.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
I got enough.
So, paano natin yung pagkakasya sa sakyan?
I don't have any more ones right now. They're gonna probably fill them up. You don't have these ones?
Yeah. I think that's good. Go ahead.
So, paano may pagkakasya sa sakyan?
Hindi, maliit lang yan.
That's one.
Why are you screaming?
Alright. There we go. Big prize for our big winner.
Aww.
Bonggang lang, Marjorie.
Ang lang. Ayoko! Ang laki! No, 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 look! Look, look! Look, Daddy won one!
Alright.
Ito si Daddy mo. Hmm? Asan si Daddy?
Ha?
$24.
$40?
24.
Ah, 24?
Sa'yo na daw yung 24 mo. Pakalam ko dyan siya. Ganda.
Marjorie,
Cute nga eh. Diba ang...
Kami bahay ni Lola.
No. Asan si daddy mo?
Doon, pumasok.
Kanano, kanasan tayo guys.
Ang gulo.
Ito yung bangsa.
Tapos nang pumasok kami, papasok pa lang kami dun sa parking lot. Sabi ni Mami, uy, ang dami mo sasakyan, tapos hindi pala kami sasakyan. Dalawa lang na sakyan namin, guys.
Buti na pinayaga pa kita makadalaw eh.
Ang boring kayo. Dalawa lang. Dami-daming bukas na.
Saan yung tatay mo? Ano yung tatay mo doon?
Hindi na bakla.
Ano nangyari sa atin, B? Saan ka galing? Ano meron doon?
Wine test.
Nag-wine testing ka? Wala ko nag-wine testing ka eh. Makita mo lang sir. Say hi. Hi, bud.
Hey, Papa.
Hi. Say bye-bye, Santa. Did you say bye-bye to Santa? Bye-bye, Santa.
And welcome to Christmas Town. Each year we gather just as families do all across the world to share the merriest gift of all, the gift of song.
I've been humming carols since Easter.
Today is another day of vlog. We're traveling today for another birthday celebration is in Nolan. Whole month it's a birthday celebration ni Nolan for January 4, 2026. So ngayon we're on the way to Sesame Street. Favorite ni Nolan is si Elmo. So ngayon pupunta kami doon and we'll try to have fun kahit na malamig, you know. Kasi doon sa Busch Garden, we did have a lot of fun. Konti lang yung rides but there's so much people. The thing is, we went to Busch Garden solely for the Christmas lights. Yun talaga yun. And then the others are, you know, to sightseeing, enjoy some rides. But the line is really, really long. It took us like 2 hours just to get to one ride. So hopefully this time, you know, we get to see a lot of stuff. We'll try to have Nolan ride some baby, you know, rides, and we'll see.
I've been wanting to ride a roller coaster
Ayan sila.
forever.
Ayan sila, guys. Ayan sila, puro naka walang lamig lang yan. Lamig ka lang.
Inis lang yan, Dabi. Yung sasabi, pag-ibuhat ka. Nananahimik siya.
So, lamig lang to. Matigas kami. Matigas ang ulo namin. Okay, let's go. Yan na. Ito na, guys. Sesame's Place. Oh, what's that sound? What's that sound, Baba?
Look, Baba, it's your place. You can
It's your place, Baba.
It's your
You just watched this on TV. Now you're here.
This is your dream place, Bubba. This is your dream.
Picturean ko si Nolan. Mami, picturean ko si Nolan dito.
At may hawak sa akong camera. Kaya ako gumagamit ng cellphone sa ganito.
Akin yung cellphone mo.
Kata namin. Where's Elmo? Come on. Where's Elmo? Ha? Oh, let's go na kay Elmo. Pangunas na yan, Daddy. Dine in. Dine with Elmo and friends. Ikaw, di ka man na ma-trill. Di ba na siya na-trill?
Push mo siya. Baba na pinapakita mo, Mami.
Ha?
Kakala ko pinisex mo yung...
Ikaw na nga! Ikaw na, video. Ikaw na. Tama na! Magpipicture ako eh! Para naman itong tanga. Kakainis.
Ay, no, kuya. What it up, guys? We are now live.
Yung mukha ni Sia, battery na battery. Wala siyang, wala yung dito rin kay Sia. Wala kay Sia niyan, B. Alam mo yung mga sinasakyan ni Sia sa Busch Garden, B? Yung bumabaliktad ka, B. Press pala ng button yun!
Ano mo kaya yung ano? Yung camera ni Marjorie para nakikita ano?
Tuloy na! Oo! Oo! Oo eh! Pambata! Alam na yun na siya! Okay na yan! Kaya mo yung B! Pumikit ka na, B! Kasi scared ka! Your mom is scared, Krista. I'm the scaredy cat. Mom, you're a scaredy cat. Oh, come on, Tariray. Diyan, wala naman yung mukhang excited. Sabi ka kalabahan ka na rin excited. Nakakainis naman yung peke. Sigaw nito eh. Yun na yun, kuya. Wala na ba itataas to, kuya?
Faster!
Make your spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and see a sleigh come tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. So much fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. That's one of Papa's favorite tunes.
Ring out!
Oh, yeah! That's it! Hi guys!
Zoom mo pa, Krista. Zoom mo pa.
Hi guys!
Tarira! Ano? Tarira! Tagot yung jacket na.
We are at Sesame Street.
O, sige nga, Tarira, hold it. Let's see. Come on. Properly, ah. Hold it. Come on. I'm not kidding. I don't know. Yeah, do it. Just do it like that. Leave it like that. Say anything you wanna say.
We are at Sesame Street and we just ate. So we're gonna go to a ride that is a roller coaster.
Yeah, we just took a rest for
Yeah. we took a rest.
half an hour.
Oh, pogi yours.
You're not even showing my face. You're only showing my hair.
Gulo mo, Taringri eh.
Oy.
Hoy ka din. Saan na tayo? Matutulog ka ba? Hindi. Matutulog ka? Hindi. Matutulog ka ba? Hindi. Hindi na? Tara na. Ready ka na, B?
We are going to the roller coaster.
You're what?
We're going to the roller coaster.
Ba't ako tigo din?
My God!
Ay! Tulog na po yung ano namin, yung bata namin, makulit.
Tulog na yung hari.
Tulog na po ang aming, Royal Highness.
Go where?
Ano?
Kaya ako naman ito siya.
Siyan, sino mo yung jacket ni Nolan?
Kuya,
Okay guys, I'll see you later. Wait lang po.
bye, see you later.
Kailangan namin mag-prepare.
Mom, come on. Dami namin pinuntahan ngayon. Grabe, nakakapagod. Ikot kami ng ikot sa buong.
Hindi ka napanood na rin sa Busch Garden ang layon. Ang lalakaran na pa.
Lamig, grabe. Kasi sa Busch Garden, Mami.
Di ba lang kasi
Actually, you know what? I gotta use the restroom. Give me 1 second, guys. Ihilang ako, Mami. Wait a second.
Siyan?
Nasaan yung mic? Wala tayong- Nantay kami ngayon, guys. Nantay namin ngayon si Mother. And then after nito, pupunta na kami kila Ate Joanne. What's up? Ang trip namin today, ano ba yung yun lang?
Akala ko bibili siya ng kape.
Yun nga rin eh.
Gusto ko ng popcorn.
Mommy, go.
Hindi ba may popcorn?
Use my card. My card is there. Ah. Anyways, guys. So, itong talaga, Sesame Place talaga, it's for kids talaga siya. Kasi mag-enjoy yung mga bata. If it's winter, medyo okay lang. Pero pagka summer, I think, mas maganda dito pag summer. Overall, kailangan ninyong pumunta ng summer para mas ma-enjoy. Kasi pag malamig, medyo walang masyadong ride na open. And walang masyadong magawa. Si Nolan kasi tulog pa eh. Ano yan?
Sabi ko, butter. Binigay niya sa akin. Pop.
Ha?
I said, do you guys have butter? Butter.
Oh,
Or popcorn. Binigay niya sa akin. Pop.
cup? Yang cup?
Pop.
Then you should have asked. A butter flavor?
Yun lang. Ipit na ako.
Ayoko na. Ano si Joanna? Sino?
Yay! Clap, Papa, clap, clap! Clap, clap, come on!
Look, everybody! It's Santa Claus! Merry Christmas, Santa!
Where's Santa?
Sesame Street!
Hoy, walang gagalaw na dito ako.
Lalamig yung sila eh. Happy New Year in the Philippines. So, ngayon medyo busy yung schedule natin. Ang dami kalat. Busy yung schedule natin. Kasi maraming ganap. Ay, napatay kayo ano. Teka, wait lang. Daming ganap ngayon, guys. Unang ganap natin today. Mag-ready tayo. Samahan niyo ako. Pupunta kami ngayon ng aking asawa sa... Ignore niyo yung likod. Huwag niyo yung pansinin yan. Kalat namin ngayon kasi nagre-ready kami. Punta kami ng Walmart muna. Kasi we're going to buy some stuff that we will need for tonight's New Year Eve. At medyo may party dito, konting kasayahan. And then after that, we're leaving first thing in the morning tomorrow kasi birthday celebration ni Nolan. First birthday ni Nolan. And we're going to do it at Great Wolf Lodge. It's the new Great Wolf Lodge here in Baltimore, Maryland. Kaya samahan niyo kami doon. But for now, samahan niyo kami, pupunta kami ngayon sa Walmart and then we're just gonna buy stuff and then we'll come back. And then we'll prepare for tonight's festive. Okay?
Okay, o sige.
Pauwi na kami, te. Sige, te.
Okay.
Sabi ko sa kanya yun, may mga colorful na balloons dun. Ano yun? Dito yun naman yung color this year. Yellow, green, red.
Power Ranger. Iba ba yun?
Yun kaya yung lucky color. O at least lahat ng color meron ka.
Power Ranger Red. Power Ranger Blue. Power Ranger Yellow. It's more time.
Inaano ko pa. Hindi pa to 5, B. 4 pa lang to ata siya.
Okay, ito yung pang-5 na to. So. Tapos, whites din.
Hindi, okay na. Ano na natin?
Okay guys, ito yung tingnan natin kung ano ba yung final product natin. Ayan, samahan nyo. Ha? Tingnan natin kung anong may tsura ng tama ba, maganda ba. Hey! Okay.
Mamaya ka na, David.
Yan.
Yan. So, paano natin ito gagawin ata siya?
May tusok dito sa ilalikod eh, no? Teka lang nga.
Mahuhulog ko.
Okay. Wait. Forever na sa atin yan. Nahanap niya, nag-aagi ka. Nahanap niya yung
Ano naman forever? Nasa iyo forever.
nasa atin ng forever niya. Ano ka dyan?
Nasa iyo forever. Yung forever na nahanap mo. Masyado.
Kala mo
Ano pa siya ng forever, no?
Marunong makontento yan. Lagi marunong makontento yan. She's contented. What else can she look for? Ay, malungkot yan. Bigyan ng jacket! Kiloko namin si Mama.
Nasa iyo forever. Dahil ka pa ng ibang forever.
Si ate, ewan ko dito. Tapos na din ang aming gawain, guys. Ito, nagre-ready na kami for our meet and greet with the family that's coming. Ayos lang ba yung buhok? So, yun na nga. Balik mo pa yun kay mami kasi
yung Crocs niya. Asan yung Crocs?
ay baba.
Sabi ko.
Ang team natin ngayon is yellow.
Ako na.
Hoy. Sino?
Yung Crocs, isuot no. Yan, ako na.
Tapos na ba yan? Buhok niyan? Ganyan na yan? Akin na tayo?
Pogi yung anak ko kayo magbubuhok na.
Oh, woke up like this yan si Nolan. Si Nolan pa.
Kaya,
Yeah, cute kaya niya. Siyempre, cute tong nanay, of course. Ayan ko.
It looks like a dentist. It looks like a dentist.
Nah, it's a video. It's a video.
It's too tiny.
Yeah, it's DJ Osmo. This is Marjorie's.
I thought you were like a dentist.
Yeah. Everybody sleep. Si Mama nakatulog. Yung chef namin, tulog. Knockout. Na yan. Ready na kami, guys. It's my uncle. Ito yung ibang bisita.
Which is when spring begins,
Ayan.
when there was a lot of production of eggs, of milk.
So, Kol. Balita, Kol.
Last place in Barcelona that still pasteurizes
Nice.
its own milk, making their crema catalana unique in the city that's famous for it.
Tulala si Uncle.
Before dawn, a truck pulls up to
Ano to, Kol?
just hours old.
DJ Osmo.
The metallic jugs are hooked up to a maze of heat.
What's up, yo? What's up?
From Marseille's Sun Park.
Anong ten? Kumusta naman ang 2025 mo?
Oo naman, buhay pa rin.
Anong gusto mong mangyari? Anong wish mo sa 2026?
Magka-work na.
Besides that,
Mapasok sana ng school.
okay. And good health. That's the main thing. Ikaw, Kol, how's your 2025?
Oh, my 2025 is good, man. It's really good. Hopefully next year, I mean, few hours, right? Maybe like few hours now, 2026.
Yes.
On 2026 should be much better than 2025.
Awesome. Good health also.
Good
diba?
health also, yep.
Yan.
Good health and long life.
Long life, of course. Amen. Okay. Pupuntahan natin ngayon ng ibang tao. Ayan.
Ano lang mo kasi ano?
So, silante. Ito naman yung namin. Mga gandang
Kaya may ano, mayroong
tita ko.
na ano na
Yun sila.
anong ano. Happy New Year! Katulad yan yung kay ano.
Happy New Year, guys.
Yan eh.
Nagpa-vlog ako konti. Vloggers na so. Don't forget to subscribe.
Siyempre, Mila, pinapablog ko nga eh.
Alright, guys. Ito naman ang isa kong pinsan.
Hello. How are
So,
y'all?
Josh, kumusta ang yung 2025?
Ayos lang.
Anong gusto mo mangyari in 2020? Anong wish mo for 2026?
Nothing. Just good life. I don't know. I get my own place.
Okay.
Yep.
What about you, Alex? How's your 2025?
Fine.
What's your 2026 goal and wish for 2026?
Happiness and for us to have our own spot.
Oh, okay. That's a big step. Okay. Talk.
Say Mike? Say hi.
Say hi. Say hi. Ikaw, te. Sino naman?
What? Why me?
Why me? Why me?
Ano? Ano nangyari? Nawala na tuloy.
What?
So, kumusta yung 2026 mo?
2026 or 2025?
2025 pala, sorry.
It's rough, but I made it.
It's rough, but you made it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I made it to the end.
Okay, good. Anong goal mo sa 2026?
Goal ko
Yeah.
to pass my board.
Okay, and anong wish mo to, for this coming, 2026?
2026, wish ko to have a full-time job.
Yes, and then, yan. So you can support me Thank you. I can buy whatever I want. Yes. Ang goal mo sa 2026?
Ang goal ko 2026, more blessings.
Yeah.
A good health for family
Of course.
here in US and in the Philippines. Long life for my mom.
Oh, of course.
For everybody.
Alright. Thank you. Ang ganong ano mo sa 2026?
Plano mo?
Anong goal mo? Anong gusto mo? Anong wish mo?
Maano lang,
Mag-survive.
walang sakit,
Yun.
malakas, araw-araw tayong gising na walang sakit, malakas, yan ang pinaka. May trabaho,
Yes.
may mga amo na mga mababait,
Yun.
tapos
Ilang taon ka na?
makatulong lang,
Ilang taon? Gano'n ka nakatagal dito ante sa Amerika?
13
13
years.
years. Oh, okay. Tagal na rin.
13 years ka na rin.
Oo, 10.
Anong, kumusta ang 2025 mo?
Oh my goodness. Wonderful.
Yeah, kasi nagano ka.
Wonderful. It's a wonderful because I just starting to accept the Social Security.
Oh, wow. Okay. Ganon ka nakatandaan, te.
Yeah. I've been here in the US for
Sabi ko kayo, te Janet.
40 years na kaya ako dito.
Imagine mo ha. Ito na guys. Ready na kami. Meron na silang mga shot. Hey, you're too young for that. I'm just kidding. It's juice.
That's just
Gusto mo, Zian? It's juice. It's juice. Here. Zian. No, it's okay. It's no. We're gonna toast. We're gonna toast.
It's Welch.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy birthday, Gol! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Cheers! 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 Okay, we can go to sleep now. We can sleep now again. Wala ate. Late kami na po nakabili.
Ay, naku po, mate. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Ito na lang yung katila na yun. Walang cake. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wala pa nagpapaputok? Wala, tahimik din sa neighborhood. Wala rin nagpapaputok eh. Oh. Happy New Year, Jay. Hey, Happy New Year, bro.
Happy New Year, bro.
Man.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Happy New Year, Kuya! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Yeah, you wanna go there? You wanna go there? Let's go there. It's cold. Oh my God, I don't wanna go there. It's too cold. You're not gonna like it. You like cold? You like snow? Nakita niyo na snow? Have you seen snow?
In Georgia.
In Georgia. Oh wow! Damn! No. Oh, there you go. Okay. Call. Auntie Janet. Hoy. Okay. Ante, picture ka dito.
Come on!
Oh.
Nasaan na siya?
Di, nag-ano? Bibi, ano pa si Uncle, oh? Yung cake niyo, oh.
Come on,
Tatlo.
nag-invite siya.
Dali. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle. Happy birthday to you. Oh, make a wish na muna. Make a wish. Make a wish.
Talaga, Mark, ha?
Yeah! Happy birthday, Cole!
Birthday pa.
Diba? Naya na. Tapos na. Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. they know, they saw you in the video. All right.
Let's go, go. Group picture.
Wala, tulog si Jay, si ano eh. Ayaw ni ano eh. Ayaw magising. Ayaw magising.
Guys, come on!
Alright, picture. Happy New Year, everybody. Time check. 1 o'clock na. Nag-uwian na silang lahat. So it's time for us to go to bed. Kasi maga pa tayo tomorrow. Peace. Happy New Year again. Bye.